Hello dosto, welcome to my another video. I just created another gig on Fiverr about domain. Yeah, expired domain. Everyone wanted to create a website, a new website. It's take time to rank on Google. You need to create many backlinks and need to time to rank. That's why we need expired domains. Expired domains can easily rank your website. You can buy expired domains from many sites with high rate, but I will recharge domain for you and find expired domain with low cost. You can buy expired domain in $10, $9. In expired domain you will get thousands of backlinks and you will also get Wikipedia backlinks. And all domain will be clear, no blacklisted. Only for $5 I will recharge that domain for you and deliver it in 2 or 3 hours. I have 3 standard packages, one basic, standard and premium. In basic, 2 high authority backlinks domain, standard 5 high authority backlinks domain, and for $20 I will find 20 high authority backlink domains for you. Please like and subscribe my channel, and for order me on Fiverr, I will give my Fiverr link on description. Just click on my link and follow me on Fiverr. I hope you will get best service from me. Thank you everyone watching my video. See you in next video. Thank you.